to me, x would come first, right? So I'm going to say OP is 90 degrees. OP is 90 degrees to PT. Why? Why are we saying that? Because a radius is 90 degrees to a tangent. That is the theorem. That is our reason. Now that we got these two add up to 90, therefore x plus 62 equals to 90. Therefore x plus 62 is equal to 90. Therefore, simple equation, x is equal to 90 plus 62 comes on the other side as minus 62. Therefore, x is equal to 90 minus 62, and we all know 28 degrees, right? Because 62 plus 28 will give me 90. So there we go. We've got x to be 28 degrees. Angle x is 28 degrees. What else can we now find, or what else can we conclude? We know that z is also equal, z is equal to 62, tan chord theorem, and it's a direct link. It's not an indirect link, it's a direct link to our theorem. Our theorem stated angle between tangent and chord is equal to the angle subtended in the alternate segment. So angle z is equal to 62 degrees. Why are we saying it? Tan chord theorem. There we go. 62 degrees, 62 degrees. Which is the only angle that is now short, that we are short of? We are now short of angle y. There are two ways. I don't know if you've identified it by looking at the diagram. There are two ways of getting to angle y. Can you identify the two ways? Can you identify two ways of getting to y? Hear me out. OP, the line, is equal to OB, the line. Why? They are radii. So therefore it makes this an isosceles triangle. So if x is 28, B2 will be 28. That's an isosceles triangle, and then we'll say 180 minus these two, the sum of these two, and that will give me y. That is method one. One way of attacking it. But to me, that would be like the garden route. That would be like the scenic route, the long way of doing it. What did I say? Select a shortest route. Two ways came to my mind in doing this. That being method one. Method two, what do I identify from our shape? The spearhead. Do you guys remember the spearhead? Go back to your theorems. The theorem that looked like this. I'm just going to, let's draw it here. So if Mr. Cameraman can delightfully just zoom into this. Remember we had the spearhead. And what did we say there in that theorem? We said angle at the center, exterior angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference. So if that was 20 degrees, this angle would be 40. Do you see the spearhead there? Here's the spearhead, guys. We've got OB, we've got OP, and it is subtending angle A. So therefore, angle at center, exterior angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. So there's your spearhead. That's your spearhead. Here we have it. We've got angle y is equal to 2 times 62. Why is y 2 times 62? What is your reason for that? Exterior angle at center is equal to 2 times angle subtended at circumference. And what do we have? Therefore, angle y is equal to 2 times 62, 128 degrees. Now, whether you did it this way, so angle y is equal to 1, so we've got x, y, z. There's x, there's y, and there's z. Have we answered the question? Yes. How many marks was this? 6 marks. Guys, we're coming towards the end of the show. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of circle geometry. Remember, we are doing graded set of riders, and you will notice that as we're doing our riders, we're doing easy level 1, level 2, level 3 questions. So stay tuned to our next episode on circle geometry, where we'll be doing more advanced questions that would be appearing in your exams. And like I'm saying, just to remind you, circle geometry, 50 marks out of 150. So you have to know this work. If you guys have missed any of our previous episodes or earlier on the show, please go on to itvnetworks.tv, go under the K-Way icon, double click on that, go through our previous episodes and enjoy the show. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's show thoroughly as we have done here in studio, and we're looking forward to seeing you in our next episode. Guys, keep your comments flowing, keep it coming at kwaymath@gmail.com. You'll see the email address coming up on your screen, kwaymath@gmail.com, or go onto the ITV Network's website and put in all your comments. Guys, keep well and enjoy math.